Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So we got a couple small updates to both the FJ Cruiser as well as the Tundra over there, and I'm going to show you those in this video. But first, we got a buggy feature.
Hi teacher.
Did you say hey YouTube?
Hi teacher.
Crushed it. Like your shirt, bud.
Thank you.
Looks good. Alright, so for the FJ, just a couple small things. There were 3 little bumps, minor bumps or bruises throughout it when I purchased it. One of them was up here on the front bumper wing or end cap, and then the second one was on the rear bumper end cap, and then the third is, you can't see here, it's like a light rash there on the little fender there. So what I've done so far is, of course, did the KO2, swapped out some all-weather mats on the interior there, as well as a cargo mat. But these here, I ended up taking off the front bumper this morning. You take out the grill, which is pretty easy for being honest, and then the bumper, and then I swapped out for some brand new OEM black end caps, and it looks great. I'll show you what it looked like when I purchased it, and perhaps some of you might think I'm a little, I think most of you will agree with me that it warranted a replacement. And then the back here, forgive me guys, we are still moving in, so you got lots of boxes and carnage here. The back one here, I've already taken it off, so I managed to pull off so it's loose right now. You see the bumper's off. I pulled off the bumper and removed that cap there. I'm just waiting for that new OEM one to come in the mail, so I'll share that with you. But let me show you what the puppy dog feature. Hey buddy, hey bud, what you doing? Hi bud. Hi. Okay, so I'll show you what they look like. Here's the carnage. Empty boxes. All right, so there's the front one. I think that was the worst of it. Sorry guys, the wind's coming in here pretty good. So that was the worst of it. Let me show you. There's the front end cap. Just some little dings on it, and then that giant scuff right there. I was like, it's too nice of an FJ to be rocking that on it. And then here is the rear bumper end cap, and it had that rash right there, which was no bene. So that's what I swapped out. I swapped out the front one while I was in there as well, so a brand new one here. It didn't need it, but still, just to match, they're both brand new. Hey Bucky, what you doing? Hi. So both brand new, and I'll do the same for the rear caps as well. So let me jump over to the Tundra here as we jump into the Wyoming wind that we missed so much. Just love that sight. Okay, so we, for the 100th time, seemingly swapped out these original crummy plasticky trim pieces here. This obviously went around the cup holder, then this around the gear selection. So you guys, if you've been around my channel, you know I've done this 100 times, so I'm not dissecting it on purpose. But here's the end product, and I just love it. I also swapped out for the black TRD shift up, which it originally comes with the silver one, so a little bit of a silver finish right here. But yeah, super easy job. It takes you altogether 45 minutes to an hour. At this point I've gotten probably too good at doing it, so we swapped it out. So swapped out that one, of course, that piece there. Especially hate that plastic chrome piece that's in there originally. Same with the gate here. I swapped it out for a black one. So yeah. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot about this piece too. So we put on the AJT Designs vent rings. So all black, of course. We did the black down here with the black anodized little bolts here too. So I love the way this looks. Obviously I've done it 100 times, but shout out to AJT Designs for making a great product. No, I'm not sponsored or anything by them. I should be at this point, but I'm not. I think they make a great product, and Adam over there, he's a great dude. So definitely encourage you to check those products out if you haven't. But yeah, there you have it guys. Couple things in store for the 4Runner, to include some probably rock sliders. Still kind of up in the air on which ones I want to do in particular. And then for the Tundra over here, we're going to throw on some Go Rhino RB20 running boards, my favorite, finished in the bedliner finish. And then I think we'll be about done, truly. Oh, and perhaps I plan on throwing on the TE37s with the 285 KO2s on the 4Runner here. So a lot more to come. Just wanted to give you that little update video, and let me know what your thoughts are. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.